Hindi pa ako nagsisimula, naiyak na talaga ako. Hindi ko alam bakit ko gagawin yung video na to. Oh my God! And to tell you guys, it's grabe bay. It's 2:06 here in the morning. And, wait lang. I need some air. Kaya to. And kahit alas 2 na dito, gagawin ko yung video na to simply because I want to really express yung comment ko tungkol sa naging away ni Kuya Mark and ni Ape. Grabe guys. Alam ko some of you na nanonood sa akin, you may not know who they are. Sila yung housemate sa bahay ni Kuya. And nung pumasok sila, hindi pa nila alam na magkapatid sila. And yun, nung binigyan sila ng chance na magtagpo, nagbago na yung perspective ni Ape. Kasi kung hindi nyo guys alam si Ape, kasi siya yung taong lumaki na walang guidance ng parents niya, ng both mom and dad niya. Sa episode na yun guys, nag-away sila dahil nalaman niya na 2-in-1 housemates na sila ng kuya niya nung naging official housemate na yung kuya niya. Nung pinapanood ko pa lang yung episode na yun guys, parang alam mo yun, yung mararamdaman mo yung sakit na bakit nga ba kailangan humantong sa ganito. Yung magkapatid sila, dapat magdadamayan sila. Yung nangyari kasi kay Ape, parang na-misunderstood niya yung kuya niya. And yung purpose lang naman, yung intention lang naman ng kuya niya is to help her out. Kasi nga may task silang dalawa para ma-officially makita niya yung tatay niya. And nanaig yung pride niya sa kanya guys. Kaya nag-away sila. Ang daming sagutan. Grabe guys. Oh my God, hindi ko na to hahabaan pa. I'll let you guys watch. I'll just put the link down below guys. Panoorin nyo na lang yung mga clips. Hindi ko na i-insert dito kasi I feel like I don't have any right to show you here in my screen. Pero guys, sana pag napanood nyo guys, sana makita nyo din kung ano yung ibig kong sabihin. Ba't ako nasasaktan? Kasi syempre may mga kapatid din ako. May nag-aaway din. Pero yung sa situation nila guys, it's very, very complicated. I couldn't blame Kuya Mark. I couldn't blame Ape kung paano nila isosolve yung problema nila. Pero ang hirap lang dito guys kasi iba-iba kasi tayo ng pananaw guys. Ayoko na talaga.
Ikaw na gumawa. Sige. Gusto mo? Ikaw na. Yan. Yan itong gusto mo, diba? Yan. Ikaw na gumawa.
Yung makikita mo talaga sa mukha ni Ape na nanggigigil siya sa kuya niya kasi feeling niya may kaagaw siya, pero hindi guys. Kung makikita nyo, yung kuya niya mismo yung tumutulong sa kanya, nag-o-offer ng help, pero siya mismo yung nagre-reject sa kuya niya dahil sa pride yun guys. I don't really want to make this video a very, very long video. Gusto ko lang talaga ma-express out guys. Guys, tulungan niyo ako to raise awareness. Sana kahit ano man yung pinagdadaanan natin, let's lessen our pride. Let's be considerate. Let's be mindful. Let's be open-minded. I really don't know kung paano ko express to. Alam nyo guys, I'm a huge fan of PBB. And just seeing those people arguing, fighting for their dreams, magkapatid, magkadugo, mag-aaway sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya. Sobrang nasasaktan din ako guys. Kasi pangarap ko din yun dun eh. Pangarap ko din yung pumunta dun. And I'm just so scared. I'm just so scared na after ng episode na yun, Ape would get lots of hate comments about her attitude. And same goes to Kuya Mark. Pero yung nasa isip ko, yung matatamaan dito talaga si Ape. Guys, magpakababa tayo sa sarili natin. Kahit anong sitwasyon man yan. We all go through obstacles, struggles, hardships in our lives. And we gotta deal with it. walang tutulong sa atin kundi sarili din natin. Yun yung pinanindigan ni Ape. Pero guys, we have lots of people. We have our family, our friends. Don't be hesitant to accept it. And always remember, learning from your mistakes will make you a better person in the future. Pinipigilan ko lang talaga guys yung emotion ko guys. Pero sobra, as in, fully 100%. Nung pinapanood ko yung episode na yun, sobrang nasaktan talaga ako guys. At kung makikita nyo kung mapapanood nyo yung full episode talaga guys, walang cut guys. Walang cut na ginawa yung PBB. Kasi gusto nila maging authentic yung scene na yun. To show us, para ma-witness natin kung gaano katotoo ang buhay. Our life is very crucial. It's very unfair. It is up to us on how we deal hardships, yung struggles natin guys. Yun lang guys. Sana i-value nyo to, yung episode na to. Panoorin nyo yung episode na yun guys. Yung link nasa baba lang. Thank you guys.